in sort of collapsing the caste hierarchy around sanitation. Abhishek Manu Singhvi, I want to come to you and ask you a question. I mean, not about the politics per se of this, but a lot of people have talked about the Congress also, and every successive government. In fact, Prime Minister Modi also said every successive government has talked about cleaning up India in one way or the other. But in a sense, what they're saying that he's done with this campaign is separate two UPA systems that had actually come together, the National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme as well as the Nirmal Bharat Abhiyan as well, because while sort of having been combined, they were not being able to achieve the kind of task that they were doing. The money that was meant to set up toilets, for example, across the country could not be used because you had to show them as wages. 60% had to go in wages to employees of the MNREGA scheme.
2 or 3 quick points. I don't at all want to sound political, and I have not yet made political comments, and I don't intend to make them. As I said, the concept is unexceptionable.
Right.
Equally, it must be recognized, and to the extent the Prime Minister and the government recognize it, it is building on very well established initiatives, though I must concede that none of those initiatives were inaugurated with the fanfare or the optics which Mr. Modi is doing. But they are there. The schemes are there in the Ministry of Rural Development. Many times the then Minister Mr. Ramesh has spoken about them, and the schemes of course can be tweaked. We are all happy to tweak them and to enlarge or reduce them and to focus them and to tailor them. Okay. But the concept has been very much there. It's also been implemented. Third point I want to make is that there is a larger issue behind, and I'm not at all detracting from the Swachh Bharat campaign, because I've said what I would really like is, along with this great slogan and the optics, a very specific blueprint, and that I find missing. The point I made earlier: how will you get this 2 lakh crores? How many incinerators in major cities? How many the density of garbage dumps per square kilometer or per density of population?
All right.
These kind of specifics, even if laid out in the blueprint. One more point, very quickly.
Yes, sir.
Gandhi point is important as a more abstract point. Now, it's very good to appropriate Gandhi, because Gandhi is 99% good. So you are appropriating good. But you can't be too selective in appropriating Gandhi. Gandhi, cleanliness, is a very narrow aspect of holistic Gandhi. Gandhi is about so many other things. So you should not just pick out that which suits you politically, ideologically, mentally. So there is, as somebody has said earlier, the Gandhi concept itself is inclusiveness, is intercommunal harmony.
Right.
It is having a great amount of tolerance for everybody, etc.
Right.